Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to showcase a variety of ways that you can style your short hair. So if you have been wanting to switch things up to some different hairstyles, options, and ideas, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please leave today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with a bob. She has a really pretty wavy texture and she's just kind of styling her hair in various ways. We got the infamous claw clip. Very cute, perfect everyday style. And then we have someone else with a bob. So I really like her hair color. It's like a really pretty red variation. Gorgeously paired with the lipstick she has. And it looks like she's going to be doing a half up, half down style with the mini buns. Perfect everyday hairstyle to try out if you do have a bob and you want to mix things up with something different. And then we have someone styling their buzz cut. So it looks like she has a grown out buzz cut that is pretty much turned into a pixie. So it looks like she is using a scarf for this styling. And then we have another pixie styling idea. So this one is for those who just kind of want to do something different with your pixie and you have no other options and you're just kind of like, okay, I'm having a bad pixie hair day. So she's using a scarf to do this style. This would be a great style to try out if you were in between wash days as well. If you do have short hair, let us know in the comments below what is your favorite way to style your hair. Do you have a pixie? Do you have a bob? And how do you like to style it? So here we have someone once again with a pixie cut. And she's going in with the curl and iron to create some texture. Beautiful. Love the way she styled it. Kind of like that mohawk vibe. Gorgeous. Love it paired with the red lip as well. Just absolutely beautiful. And then we once again see someone with a pixie. So she's going to be going in with some products here. She does have like that mushroom 90s style pixie cut. And then she's going in and adding some texture with the flat iron. Very cute. And then we see someone styling a pixie with these fun little flower clips. This would be a great look to try out for like the spring. And I love the choppy texture that she had. So for this next variation, she's going to be slicking the look down and adding the pens to one side. Then for the third look, she's kind of just clipping the pens and making little like hair ties. Very cute. All right, you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.